Hey everybody, it's Natural Resources for September 22nd. I'm Mr. Sheridan, and we are going to jump right in to what we are covering today. So in your Google Classroom, we are already on week 6, believe it or not. Yesterday, I asked that you did a CK12, which was new to everybody for the first time. We had to go into CK12. You needed to do a reading, you needed to watch a video, and then take a short quiz. So for all of you who did that, great. I appreciate that. If you still need to, make sure you go back and do that. Today, I have one more assignment, same idea. You click on this link. It is not the next lesson. It's 2 lessons down. So don't just click on the over arrow. But when you go into this lesson, you will, yep, we're just going to click on it. So this will take a minute to load. But when you go in here, you can see that we are going to start talking about plant reproduction. And then the other thing that we are going to do today is introduce a vocabulary sheet. So we need to start paying attention to the vocabulary that we're doing. So this is the lesson for today, plant reproduction and life cycle. You're going to go down through here. You're going to read through all this stuff. We're going to be talking about the how plants reproduce and how different plants reproduce. You have a video to watch and another quiz to do. So what I need you to do on top of that is also posted in your Google Classroom is called a plants vocabulary sheet. When you open this up, you all have a copy of this. You do not need to turn this in right now. You'll turn it in at the end of the unit so I can see that you were doing it. But this is for your benefit. You need to keep track of this vocabulary. So write your name in there. I already did the first one for you. What I want you to keep track of are all the names of the vocabulary words that are in bold, not the ones that are in green. Okay, sometimes they're green and bold, like this, cells. You can see the difference between this, which is bolded, this, which is not. So if it is green and bolded, it's a vocabulary word. If it's just green, it is not a vocabulary word. So you're going to go through these, and we can go back to not this assignment, we skipped that one. Plant characteristics, this was the assignment from Monday. And you can see, I don't know why they bold the word figure, because figure is referring to this picture down here. But you can see that your first vocabulary word is going to be eukaryotic organisms. That's the one I did for you. I already included that. But then you need to add these words to your vocabulary list. Photosynthesis, producers, autotrophs. And that's all from this lesson. Then if we go back to the one that's assigned for today, from this one, we need to add diploid cells, haploid cells, alternation of generations, saurophyte, gametophyte, and spores. So those are your vocabulary lists. There's about 10 of them now. So by the end of, so my recommendation would be to, while you're reading through this, also have your vocabulary sheet opened up and be writing the definitions of these into your vocabulary sheet while you're reading, then watch your video, then do your quiz. And again, I'm going to please get credit for this thing. You have to click the turn in button, the green turn in button that goes across the top of this page, or else I'm not giving you credit for it. I'm going to mark it missing. So other than that, please send me an email if you have any questions. Spend tomorrow wisely. Make sure that you're doing the things that you need to do. Good luck to all the seniors that are taking the SAT. And I will see you on Thursday. Have a great day.